Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is HeroQuest. This is Diving My HeroQuest. Welcome to my channel. Guys, finally I had the chance to start the new HeroQuest collection. I know I'm quite late, but budget is not the best strength of this channel. This time I was just scrolling on eBay market for some HeroQuest occasion. Some guy was just selling the two first expansion of the new HeroQuest. If you know the game, they are around 30-34 each one. Now these are not new, of course, but I was hoping that the status of these two boxes was not so bad. So basically today we are discovering together if this was a good deal or not. In this series we are gonna dive into my personal way to live HeroQuest. I'm playing this game since 1989, guys, from the first edition. Since then I just improved the system because HeroQuest is a game system. You have some basic rules that you are gonna love it when you are 10 years old, 11 years old, but then you can use the system for improve it and just create your own magic world. Without further ado, let's put the camera down and crack open this box. Stay with me. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. It seems very well preserved. So let's just take these boxes out. This one. So this is the Return of the Witch Lord, guys. And I think it's quite beautifully preserved. Oh, this is perfect, guys. Look at that. First of all, I want that you notice this. I already have this original expansion, but I heard some rumors that they are saying that this new edition is slightly bigger than the other one. I mean, we are talking about the tiles, So let's check this out, because this could be very interesting for my actual system of playing. But look at the beautiful art on the cover. Big fan, guys. Okay, the box is perfect. So till now it's perfect deal. Okay, as I can see, there is something here that was... okay. These are the, the tape sealing of the box. So the guy just removed from the box, the tape. So this is like new. Okay, this is the quest book. It's perfect, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, just new, never used. Beautiful. And indeed this is slightly bigger than my version. You see, it's still like that, and I won't immediately make a comparison. I want to put them together to see and see the difference, guys. So there is a quite big difference between the two versions, and for me this is something very good. I want to show you something. So this is my actual system of tiles now, and as you can see, the old tiles were quite little, because these are 2.5 centimeters, is the, you know, European version, old one, guys. The new one is just perfect. You see, it's 4 by 4 inches. That is actually what I need for my actual tiles. So this is a great news, guys, and I'm quite excited for that. Also, all the other stuff are bigger. I don't want to punch it out right now, not for now. And yes, this is great. I have already all of this stuff, guys, of course, because I have all this expansion for HeroQuest. But this new version is perfectly, it's gonna fit perfectly on my system. So great. Let's continue. Put this aside. Okay. So let's keep this just like that. Oh my god, it's simply perfect, guys. Oh my god, it's in my hand. I'm so excited. You cannot imagine. And this is the little amount of cards. It's untouched. So let me check this one. I would like to not to break it open, but let's see if it is possible. Yes, it is. Not breaking it. Okay. And the second one should be easier. Yes. Okay. So we have a bunch of equipment cards. Beautiful. Then artifact. Another bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 artifact. I like very much the new graphic, guys. And yes, I will dive with you in this expansion, any other expansion, on some next episode, okay? But very well done, guys. And it's perfect. So basically, till now, it's a perfect deal. Okay, where to start? Let me check. Okay, these are all undead, guys. And let me check this. Oh my god, these are so tight inside. Okay. These new skeletons are great. I cannot believe the level of details of this. I want to show you better. Look at this. Simply beautiful, guys. I can't wait for painting them. Okay, let's continue. Once again, the level of detail is unbelievable. I think this is my favorite, the mummy. The position, it's very dynamic, trying to reach out with this creepy hand and all this stuff around. Beautiful. Then we've got the 2 doors, entrance and exit, from Barak Tor. Beautifully done also this one. Also this one is very beautiful. The metal door, the entrance. Nice. A great start. Let's check the second one. This is the Kellar skip. I can't wait for see some green skin inside here. Hopefully the condition will be the same of the first one. Let's check it out. Yes, indeed. The box is perfect, like new. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. I like very much the new graphic. It's very modern, contemporary art, you know. So I expect the same. And this is beautiful. The quest book. Also, we are gonna dive in these books, guys. Don't worry, this is just an unboxing for me and for you to understand what will be the next step in this adventure. Okay, still the seal. He kept the seal. I want to keep them. So new tiles. This is the the cliff. Some hatch. Those are stairs. This is the map that you need to find. The forge. You see the forge. This is the chaos stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just a new set of tile, bigger tiles. I like them. Other cards. The quantity seems the same. Let's check it out. I want to open them without break anything for now. So we've got some equipment. 1, 2, 3, 4 as the previous one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 artifacts. It's the same as the other one. Okay, nice, very nice. I like the graphic. And let's see these beauties. So green skin, the best that I can see till now, it's that you have two genders of green skin, so female and male orcs, actually a couple of them, couple of type, and I think you have also another female orc, little bit bended because it's quite flexible, the plastic. It's good for playability, not so good for painting and stuff, but we can fix that. Let's check it out one by one, all this green skin, guys. Beautiful. Look, it's a little bit bended, but we can fix with some hot water. And the big one, look at this. Badass. Oops. Look at this badass, guys. Beautiful. Look at the armor plate armor. Yeah, can't wait to paint them. Then we have this one. Look at that face. Arrgh. And She-Hulk. Kind of sexy. Nice. Look at that plate armor, guys. I like it very much. Very much. Then the little ones. Goblins. Sorry for the camera. Look at this one. Yeah. And the female. Oh, yes. She's wearing jewelry. Very nice. Different weapon and position. And then the Abomination. Avalon Hill did a great job with these guys. Look at them. They are awful and tremendous and big and menacious. Arg. I'm already playing, guys. Also very beautiful. And that's it. Okay, guys, this is it for today. This series is gonna be a blast, guys. I want to show you how I developed my own system for play HeroQuest through these 30 years, guys. So I hope you will enjoy this journey with me. Till next time, happy HeroQuest!